to the Delta Group of Industries Ltd, one of the largest vertically integrated knit garments and textile manufacturer in Bangladesh.
Founded in 1998 and processing complete in-house processor ranging from spinning, knitting, dyeing, printing, embroidery, accessories and apparel manufacturing. The automatic bale openers taking up small tubes of cottons from bales automatically for better cleaning and remove all cotton impurities to minimize contaminations. Sophisticated and state-of-the-art equipments such as TVA's Magic Eye and metal detectors to detect metal, minor polypropylene or color contaminations at Delta spinning mills comprises of latest Japanese and Swiss machineries to produce cotton and blended yarns count ranging from 7 to 40 capacity of producing 45 metric tons of carded, combed, blended, ring-spun yarn and 5 metric ton open-end yarn per day. 73,500 total spindles and 960 rotor heads made it stand tall as one of the largest and modern spinning technologies in Bangladesh. A qualified and trained team equipped with the most modern testing capability ensures finest quality yarn. Spinning lab equipped with latest Euster brand testing instruments reassures enduring and consistent yarn quality, thus providing in output. The knitting at Delta is fairly large and flexible, equipped with a range of our latest single, double, open-wide, tube and flat knitting machines. Special lycra attachments provide added diversity. Each roll of fabric knitted at Delta is inspected by trained and skilled QC inspectors. The Pilang semi-jacket flat knitting machines are best suited for non-roll collars, special collar shapes.
The dyeing lab prepare recipes on RoboLab in provide of computerized dyeing machine and conditioning machine to replicate the same dyeing program every time in bulk. This adds precision to shade continues. Spectrophotometer, quick shrinkage, piling and perspiration testing equipments help in quick and correct decision making. The dye house equipped with computerized German thighs and Turkish demilner dyeing machines upshades the highest fastness with minimum fabric distortion. The dye house has a capacity of over 20 ton per day of cotton and polycotton blends of fabric. The machine capacities range from 100 kg to 1500 kg per dye lot for flexible batch size. Our water treatment and softening plant provides quality water to ensure the quality of dyeing and other processes. Finishing department process, the latest German bunkers, tinters, open tubular and chain compactors, vertical openers, slitting machines with pedder and enzyme cleaning devices, edge sewing machines, hydro extractors and dryer for tubular as well as to open white fabrics. Computerized equipment helps controlling the parameters of fabric's stability and handfill. Seedling and brushing equipments provide Delta an edge to offer vast variety of delicate knitted fabrics to the customers. Delta Laundry offers garments dyeing, washes, special effect and treatments. Delta, a socially responsible corporate citizen of the world, is very cautious about environment. Wastewater and effluent treatment plant is a place to treat the wastewater for all hazardous matters. To make a pollution-free environment in our industrial park, we have installed a sophisticated ETP plant. In order to confirm the commitment, we have been able to install a high-tech biological ETP plant made in Saintmartin, Italy, in the factory premises. Delta in-house screen printing facility is adding value to its product lines, which is capable of doing high-quality prints of rubber, flock, glitter, foil, high-density, gel, plastisol, radiant, puff, photo prints, and various of others prints and heat transfers. Possesses with glass tables, auto printing machines such as U-shape and rotary. Monthly capacity exceeding 10 to 12 lakh piece of good quality prints. 7 Tezima 20 heads 9 color machines providing in-house embroidery capacities to produce all kind of direct and applique embroidery. Additional sequence, attaching devices and laser cutting machines are adding diversities. It has a large setup of embroidery equipped with Class 1 Japanese machine. Delta has an in-house facility of sewing and finishing accessories such as woven and non-woven labels, polybags, cartons, hangers, twill tabs, draw cords, gum tabs, and elastics, which are making by world's best accessory machines from Germany, Switzerland, and Japan. The Delta Yarn Dyeing Industries Ltd provide the high-quality sewing and embroidery threads, which are 100% machining with the final fabric shades. Its annual turnover is 12 million USD at 75% capacity utilization, run by 500 employees. Sophisticated, distinct and customized ERP system provides age diversity of Delta Apparel facility. Delta centralized cutting department that has been designed and equipped to suit the versatile variety of fabrics and garment styles. Pre-production meeting for pattern verification, sewing operation test, accessories and packing before giving in go-ahead for bulk cutting. AutoCAD equipment comprise with latest Optitex from USA and Lecra from France, and auto spreaders, auto cutters from Italy and Germany. Vacuum tables provide precision for the markers for cutting. The intelligent power tools prevents the shapes and edges from distortion. AutoCAD connected with cutter through LAN to provide the continuous supervision and check on accuracy. A continuous flow of skilled sewing operators is taken care by specially created training center. So far from this training center have produced hundreds of skilled workers to sewing lines. Delta has 6 sewing facilities accumulating 2,000 sewing machines covering the flexible blend of variable stitching styles and articles when desired by the customers. Modern line system complies with online packing, where the garment is being finished and packed in front of the same line, required less WIP, better traceability, and more responsibility towards quality. The stitching setup is capable to produce about 2 million finest quality garments every month. Separate and specialized sewing lines have been dedicated for basic t-shirts, polo shirts, fancy tops, fleece jackets, and knitted bottoms. Each garment is inspected 100% before packing. A team of trained QC inspectors make sure that only quality product is passed for packing, followed by a random quality assurance audit of packed goods. The packing staff is hired and trained with a special focus to safeguard any wrong color or size garments. Special city pad section has recently been added to the facility to meet the US customers' requirements, where finished garments are being transferred only through needle detectors and thoroughly monitored by the CCTVs.
Delta Composite Knitting Industries Limited stands tall, strongly ever that before. Our vertically integrated composite units and our skillful workforce will ensure the ultimate satisfaction of our valued customers by excellent quality and on-time delivery. To enhance those, recently we are implementing the lean concept in our organization.
Delta has ensured excellent working environment providing adequate lighting, ventilation, overhead mirror reflectors for lamps, forced duct ventilation, air cooler, full-time medical facility, daycare center along with clearly demarked emergency routes and exits. Smoke detectors and fire alarms have been set appropriately to secure the safety of the workers.
I am Engineer A.K.M. Farooq Ahmed, Chairman of the Delta Group of Industries, Dhaka, Bangladesh. Our goal is to be a market leader with source quality, make quality and deliver quality. We welcome to our buyers to visit our group and let hands together.